Hey guys, it's already the week of Easter. I cannot believe it. I did not even decorate yet. I have a lot of catching up to do. But what I did today was I picked up a whole bunch of groceries from Walmart. Most of them are relevant to Easter prep, although I don't have my ham yet, but I do have some other things that I'm just going to be making for quick dinners this week and some things also for the Easter holiday. So I thought I would share with you today a quick grocery haul. I just got back from Walmart and picked up a whole bunch of groceries, so I'm going to quickly show it to you. All right, I picked up some milk and the orange juice that has no pulp and calcium. I always really prefer this one. And some veggie corn dogs, some ice cream possibly for dessert on Easter. I'm kind of behind with baking and things like that, so I just want to have some sweet treats that we can have in case I don't get to doing all of the things that I hope to do. And then for quick dinners this week, I do have some chicken strips. I also picked up the cinnamon French toast sticks. My kids love these. They are really good, I have to say. They're good. Some Anytizer honey barbecue boneless wings, and then I have some Southern style breast tenderloins. These are great for quick and easy meals in the evening on a busy night. I have some of the Kodiak Power waffles, a whole bunch of eggs. Each of my kids will get a dozen eggs to dye. We'll probably do that a couple of days before Easter, and then these are for eating now. And then I picked up some limes, a couple of avocados, some Fiesta blend shredded cheese, and some sour cream because I'll probably do a taco night this week. And then I've really been liking the Activia probiotic dailies because, I don't know, I think I'm probably really in full-on menopause at this point in my life. I thought it was perimenopause, but I don't know. I'm thinking I'm really I'm really in the whole menopause part of my life, unfortunately. But that being said, I've been crazy bloated and I've been drinking these, like it says to have 2 a day, but I've been having only 1 a day for the last several days, and I honestly can see a really big difference, and I was surprised by that, so I'm going to keep that going. So I picked up a couple more of those. My kids love them too. And then some of the Activia yogurt, the strawberry and the blueberry are our favorites. I have the 647 bread and some bagel thins. These are the everything bagel thins. Also just thinking about Easter morning and having something quick to make for breakfast. We usually have deviled eggs, but then I want to put out some cinnamon rolls and maybe some croissants. I also picked up the balanced breaks. These are really good, quick like snacks or even to have for lunch. A pineapple, only because they were on sale really inexpensively this week for some reason. I have some Kraft macaroni and cheese, and then I have some ground chicken to make tacos, as well as the red peppers and onions, because I'll probably do a stir fry with the already pre-cooked chicken strips with this one night, possibly over rice. And then just a couple of sides possibly to have on Easter with the ham that we're going to be making. I have some broccoli, and I also have some corn. All right, and over here I have some fresh broccoli, peppers, because I might do stuffed peppers one night this week as well, shredded lettuce for the tacos, and then I have a Caesar salad kit. I got the family size. It's pretty big, so if I have pasta one night this week, I might do like spaghetti and meatballs or something like that. I always like to have a quick side salad. And then I picked up another bag of apples to fill my bowl here. And then I also have some plums, nectarines, and some soups, the Amy soup that I like, and some green beans, some chunky salsa for taco night. Here's the other soup that I also like, the vegetable soup. Black beans and kidney beans for making chili, either this week or next week. And then I really like the boil in bags. They're just so quick and easy. So I'll probably have that one night. A big jug of peanut butter and some graham crackers. That's been like one of my favorite snacks lately, is just having peanut butter on graham crackers. I have some laundry detergent and a big variety pack of chips. I have Goldfish, unsweetened applesauce. Little breadsticks with Nutella are really good. Just a quick and easy snack. And then these Grooves Cheez-Its are really, really good. This is the Zesty Cheddar Ranch. My kids love them too. And then the extra cheesy Cheez-Its taco kit. And then I like the Protein Plus pastas by Barilla because there is added protein in it. So it just fills you up more. So if I do spaghetti and meatballs one night, I'll use this with the Bertolli olive and garlic sauce. And then I just picked up some of these slow cooker packets. I'm having a hard time lately finding the slow cooker stuff, but I did find the beef stew. I just got the regular chili because they haven't had the slow cooker chili in a while now. And then I always like to have these Italian dressing packets as well. And finally, I think this is my last item. I have some Chips Ahoy. Okay, Madison is telling me that I actually did good food shopping this time. Did I do a good job? You like all the stuff I got?
Yeah.
I don't often get that from my kids. They're always like, as soon as I get home from food shopping, what do you guys say to me?
Where's the food?
Yeah, or when are you going food shopping? And I'm like, I just got home from food shopping. Madison's enjoying some of the Girl Scout cookies that I purchased though. We have a lot of Girl Scout cookies right now. Those are one of my favorites, the Thin Mints. So anyway, that's going to be it. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I got for grocery shopping for Easter, spring break. Madison made a correction on me. She said that we're not having spaghetti and meatballs if I got penne noodles. Okay, so it's not spaghetti and meatballs, it's penne and sauce and meatballs. Is that what we're gonna call it?
I don't know, but spaghetti is like the type of noodle.
Yeah.
So we can't make penne pasta and then call it spaghetti.
That's just the way I roll. I don't know.
With your pierogies.
I also mispronounced pierogies, not pierogies. No. Whatever. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and follow my channel. And what else? What am I forgetting?
Going to nationals.
Oh, this is very exciting. We just found out, for those of you who know my channel, Madison has been doing competitive dancing and they just decided that they're going to nationals this year and it's really, really exciting. So can't wait for that. One more summer adventure that I'll bring you guys along on, I'm sure. All right, I hope that you all have a really great Easter and a super fun Easter or spring break, and I'll see you all real soon. Bye.